Hi guys, I want to do another one here, more like a puddle pour. I've got my molds here. I've got Super Sparkle White with Glitter Champ Ocean Treasures. That's in 1 cup, and then in this cup I've got Sapphire Blue, and I put 2 dots, just 2 little drips of Illuminate Black in here because I wanted to send it a little darker. Got this gorgeous deep rich blue, and this one is Bluebird Blue, so I have a nice contrast between the 2 blues. Here's the Bluebird Blue. Pretty. All right, first thing I'm going to do, since this is just a technique that I like doing, I'm going to put in just a little bit of resin that's clear so that I can make sure that there are no bubbles. So bear with me here for a sec while I push this out to the edge. And I like to use a silicone tipped paintbrush. You get these in the polymer clay sections at Michael's, but I usually just buy a great big giant pack off of Amazon. It's cheaper that way. I get 3 sets, 3 different sizes. So let me heat this up real quick. All right, now I'm going to go around the edge. Try to anyway. Way too heavy. Get out of my way. And now on this one, I'm just going to pour it in the center. And try to push that navy back out. This is awfully full. My intention was to pour some clear down in. Let me see if I can do it. And we all know that when you do stuff like this, it doesn't stay anyway. But I want to play. I don't want to just make it plain old simple thing. Ooh, that's pretty. I wish it would stay this way. Try to get my flower petals all lined up here. I'm not going to add any heat to this. I'm just going to let them sit and cure and hope that the bubbles all come up to the top. Oh, you want to go in for a close-up? I got to show you. Look at that. Party. So we'll see you in 24 hours. Okay, these are cured. Boy, I love that sparkle. My design kind of disappeared. What do you think? Not what I was expecting, but look at the variation in the shades. How it just kind of like looks like a cloud. I love this sparkle. Look at how it just shimmers. Sorry, you're getting a reflection of my root ceiling. Pretty. I don't know which side I like better. I got these little, what is that? That's weird. There's a little hole in there now. I'm gonna have to fix that. Well, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you stopping in and seeing what I made today. Like, subscribe, share, all of that good folderol. And we will see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.